This is the new merch that's coming out, and you better get it today, because it'll almost be sold out. Please support my daddy with new merch. All the links will be down below in this subscription below, so you can get this amazing, fantastic cup that has ever been born in the cup history.
Let's see exactly what's going on in here. Wow, look at that. That was never coming out. At the build-up on here, don't ask me how this is done. Someone has been screwing this in with a big impact gun, which is the problem with the impact guns. This was never coming out. Look at that. All that was happening here is this was just, well, you saw it, it just kept screwing and just screwing in place. Look at the threads. This is the dangers of using impact guns. Even the threads in the other hole they've destroyed. Look at that. That's all them threads are destroyed as well, and other ones on the car. Right, the other issues we had, this was the other bolt. Someone has cut this off so it was too long, or they've damaged the end of it. They've also absolutely caked it full of Loctite, which doesn't help these threads. They've also done this on the gearbox. That was all caked in Loctite and everything, so even that was hard to get out. The issue we think what happened was there was a gap between the gearbox and the mount, and they just put the bolts in and they've got an impact gun and screwed it down to lift up the gap. And the issue with that is it just completely destroys the thread. It does work because the impact gun's very powerful, but it completely and utterly destroys the thread. With all the Loctite in, it just absolutely makes a mess everywhere. And they've also done it on the gearbox as well. So the engine, this bolt here, has all been caked up and all the threads are destroyed. So this is why I say be very, very careful when you're using them. Make sure there's no pressure on the bolts, and then just screw them in and you'll have no issues.